trying to make out if your male coworker likes you? Are you still looking ahead to figure out if that guy is just being extra nice to you or he is actually starting on a flirt episode with you? No doubt, getting your thoughts and assumptions right is no easy job. Maybe you like him as well, but you are not sure whether he really likes you or he is just being nice and helpful to you. You are observing some signs, but you are worried that you may have read those signs wrong, isn't it? In this video, I am going to share some important pieces of male psychology that will help you understand the signs better. It is extremely important for you to correctly identify each and every sign, or else a wrong move can affect not only your relationship or friendship with him, but also your professional life. Therefore, I will share 6 signs which completely proves that your male coworker has some feelings for you in his heart, and you can proceed further accordingly. Before I begin sharing these 6 signs, do you want to know how you can awaken a man's most secret and powerful desire to get him obsessed with you? No, it's not something related to intimacy or anything you might be thinking. In fact, it's completely opposite of it. Well, I have personally written an ebook where I have disclosed some untold secrets of making your man feel an everlasting love for you and eventually make him obsessed with you. You can download this ebook for free only for a limited time. The link of this free ebook is in the description box below. So let's begin with those 6 signs. Sign number 1. He is constantly trying to spend some time alone with you or maybe talk to you. Indeed, this is one of the most common ways to study if your male coworker is having a crush on you. You will find several instances wherein he will be there with you. Make sure that you are not counting all the situations as coincidence, and maybe he is just finding out a way to be with you. In case you seem to have a doubt on him, just see if he is trying to visit the lunchroom right at the time you are about to move. You will also find him looking for a reason to accompany you at the end of the day or after your work. The best way to identify the guy is to compare him with the other male colleagues at your place and see how often this particular man is trying to be by your side. You may also see him coming up to you and trying to talk to you. Most importantly, this guy will move ahead with different random topics too often out of just work. Although it is not necessary that he has to have a crush on you, but then again, it could be a sign. He might ask you about your favorite hobbies, dishes, or maybe trying to keep a note of all your likes and dislikes just for no reason. The reason for him to trying to do this is nothing but for the fact that he is trying to build a rapport with you. One of the most important signs for someone falling for you is that he would make attempts to know you. Sign number 2. The guy would probably become more subtle about where and with whom you hang out. If you have a male coworker who is extra subtle and curious about you, chances are that he might have started liking you. It is quite common to see men being possessive about their girls. You will see him asking you if you are seeing someone, which stands as a sign of him being curious about your way of living. Too often, you will find the guy trying to know about different incidents of your life, be it like where have you been last night, as if he is just trying to make out if you are hanging out with some other man. He will probably hook into all your pictures on the social media in an attempt to make out if there is any guy who appears in most of your photos. So much so that he might end up making an assumption of counting your brother as your boyfriend. Sign number 3. Note his staring puppy dog type of eyes. I hope you got what I mean. The first instinct of him being attracted to you is by the way you look at him. You will see that he is not being able to take his eyes off your face. To find out that he has a crush on you, you will see him trying to make an eye contact with you while you speak. Also, there are times when you will see him looking away quickly just as you catch him staring at you. If his head turns quickly, it might be that he is shy. All you need is to hold your patience and watch him do all that he does. Another small tip to ensure that he is falling for you is that you will find him noticing you every time he cracks a joke. This is because he wants to see your reaction, for it's all that he counts. Sign number 4. He will probably try to stalk you everywhere on social media. Although this is not a mandate, but then again, this is one of the most common signs that he is after you. Co-workers do connect to each other, but if he is making the first move, chances are that he might like you. Whatsoever, you will also see him texting you, which depicts his attempts of trying to connect you outside the workplace. This can be a clear indication that he is trying to build rapport with you outside the work. Also, you will find him liking and commenting on all your posts, even the ones that you have had posted ages ago. Not just this, you will probably find him replying back to your texts super fast. Chances are higher that he has dedicated a lot of time for you. Sign number 5. Take a note of his tone of voice and try to find out if he is acting weird. A lot of times we are so desperate finding out the interest in our male coworker by just noting his appearances and expressions that we miss out taking a close sight on his tone of voice. Just see how his voice changes as he talks to you. You will be surprised to discover that he talks to you a lot more differently than the way he talks to the rest of your colleagues. This weirdness pops in because of the reason that he becomes extra conscious in front of you. Also, men tend to behave a little more weird in front of someone they like. He might stumble over his words every time he comes before you. You can't help it, most boys do it though. This kind of scenario usually takes place because he gets nervous, so just try to catch hold of it and your doubt would get clarified in a small hunch. In case you too are somewhat interested in him, make sure that you are being kind enough with him. Of course, you should decode it in your own ways, but then again, make sure that you are not demotivating him anyway. Sign number 6. He has a tendency to hang around portraying himself as a hero around you. Yeah, that is in the male DNA. Whenever you face any problem, he is going to be the first person to jump at you for assistance, much before you have even asked for it. He is going to be extra protective, and more significantly, he will make every possible attempt to spend the maximum amount of time with you. He will never miss an opportunity to impress you. You will find him doing a haircut someday, and on rest of the days is wearing the whole wardrobe. Also, he will wait for you to comment on how he looks. Last but not the least, take a note of his body language. A person's body language tells the most about what's going on in his subconscious mind. Make sure that you are not forgetting to notice his gestures towards you, for that does really reveal a lot. Do you feel there could be any other signs apart from these 6? Do you want to add something or share your experience in the office with any male colleague? Feel free to comment down below and let me know, and I will definitely try and reply you. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Like and share it with your friends if this video really helped you by any means. And yeah, if you want to become a true high value woman and make your guy get completely obsessed with you, check out my free ebook which I personally wrote. I can promise you that you will learn some really shocking and surprising facts about love and obsession that you may not have heard anywhere before. The link to this free book is in the description box below. Meet you in the next video. See ya!